Hi, my name is Josh and I've been a gas and electric meter reader for over 5 years. Today I'm going to show you how to read your own gas meter so you can keep track of your monthly usage to make sure your bill is accurate and estimate what your monthly payment will be. Let's take a look. This is the gas meter at my house. You'll notice it has 4 numbered dials. That's the most common for a residential gas meter. So each dial represents a place value. So this here you can see says it's the thousands place, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. For our purposes, we're just going to call it the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands place. So what that means is every time the ones place goes all the way around, the tens place is going to move up 1 number. Every time the tens place goes all the way around, the hundreds is going to move up 1 number, and so on. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to start on the right side with the ones place. And you can see it's between the 1 and the 2. So when it's between 2 numbers, we're going to take the smaller number. So this will be a 1. Here we're between the 4 and the 5, so that'll be 4. And here we're between the 4 and the 5, so that will also be 4. And then on this one, the last one, we're between 2 and 3, so that's going to be a 2. So we've got 1, 4, 4, 2. Notice that the numbers change direction. They first go clockwise, then counterclockwise, then clockwise, then counterclockwise. So we had 1, 4, 4, 2, but when we write it down, of course we read left to right, so it's going to be 2, 4, 4, 1, and that's what will show up on your bill. So here we have another gas meter. We'll start on the right, and you can see this one's just past the 0. So that means it just recently went all the way around, so that one will be 0. And since it just went all the way around, we know this one has just reached it to the 3. So we have 0, 3, and then this one's between the 1 and the 2, so it's 1. And since it's just past the 0 also, we know that this one is just now past the 5. So we've got 0, 3, 1, 5. Or when we reverse it and read it left to right, it's 5, 1, 3, 0. Okay, I'll be doing one more example and then I'll show you some meters that you can practice on. So this one is just not quite to the 3 yet, so it'll be 2. This one's just past the 0, so since it's just past the 0, we know that this one has made it to the 7. So far we've got 2, 0, 7, and then this one is between the 2 and the 3, so that's 2. 2, 0, 7, 2. And then when we reverse it, it's 2, 7, 0, 2.
Now that you know how to read a meter, you can use that information to determine your monthly usage. My meter currently reads from left to right 2441. About 1 month from now I can read it again and subtract this reading from the new one to find the difference. That difference is my monthly usage. So for example, if in a month I read the meter and it reads 2503, I can subtract 2441 from 2503 to get 62, which represents my monthly unit usage. And when I get my bill, it should be close to that. To ensure an accurate reading on your bill, you'll want to make sure it is safe and clear for a meter reader to access your meter to get a reading. Some things you can do to make sure it is safe are: keep dogs out of reach of the meter if they don't like strangers. Make sure there are no hazards around your meter. This includes things like holes, hoses, boards with nails sticking out, wasp nests, basically anything that could hurt someone or cause an accident. Make sure your meter is clearly visible. Trim bushes near the meter and keep decorations at a distance that allow the meter to be seen. In the winter, make sure your meter isn't buried in snow or covered in ice buildup.
Now that you know how to read your meter, determine your usage, and help your reader assure an accurate reading, you can be more mindful of your usage, potentially decreasing it and saving some money, and make sure you're always paying a fair amount on your bill. Thanks for watching.